What if I told you that your body language alone can make women feel an undeniable attraction toward you? No words, no fancy tricks, just the way you carry yourself. Most men overlook this, but women pick up on it instantly. And when you get it right, the results are powerful. The great Stoic philosophers, from Marcus Aurelius to Epictetus, understood that presence, discipline, and control over oneself shape how others perceive us. In this video, we'll break down 9 body language signals that instantly make you more attractive without saying a word. Context: why does body language matter in attraction? Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. Attraction is not just about looks or money. Science and psychology prove that women are biologically wired to be drawn to men who exude confidence, strength, and control, traits that the Stoics live by. Women don't fall for words, they fall for actions, posture, and presence. That's why understanding and mastering your body language is a game changer. These are the 9 body language signals women love. Number 1, the Stoic Gaze. Ever noticed how the most respected men in the room don't fidget or dart their eyes around? Marcus Aurelius wrote about the power of a calm, steady gaze. Women are drawn to men who can maintain direct but relaxed eye contact without looking nervous or needy. This signals confidence, dominance, and presence. Number 2, slow and controlled movements. Rushed movements scream anxiety and low confidence. Watch how powerful men move, deliberately, smoothly, with purpose. Seneca taught that self-control is the foundation of power. Moving with ease and control commands attention. Number 3, the alpha posture. Your posture tells the world who you are before you even speak. A slouched back, weak, an open, upright posture with shoulders relaxed, commanding. Stand like a Stoic, firm but not tense, open but not aggressive. Number 4, the confident walk. Your walk should say, "I know where I'm going and I'm in control." Short, choppy steps. Nervous, long, steady strides. Dominant. Walk with intent and power. Number 5, the thoughtful pause. Don't rush to respond in conversations. Pausing before speaking shows confidence and thoughtfulness, just like Socrates and Seneca. Women respect men who own their words and take a moment to think before reacting. Number 6, subtle touches of control. Touching your own wrist, adjusting your watch, or fixing your cufflinks. Small, controlled movements that radiate calm dominance. Not nervous tics, but calculated signals of composure and refinement. Number 7, deep, controlled breathing. Stoics mastered control over their breath, knowing that calmness is power. When you breathe deeply and evenly, you project relaxed confidence, and women subconsciously pick up on this. Number 8, the half smile. A serious Stoic face all the time can be intimidating, but a slight smirk or controlled half smile adds a layer of charm and mystery. Think Julius Caesar meeting his rivals, unshaken and slightly amused. Number 9, the power of stillness. One of the most overlooked yet powerful body language traits, stillness. The men who are the most respected in any room are those who don't fidget, who hold their ground, and who exude calm control. Women notice this immediately. Now listen to these modern applications that how to use this knowledge to your advantage. Mastering these 9 signals isn't about faking confidence, it's about becoming confident. The Stoics taught that inner control reflects outer presence. Try this. Next time you enter a room, stand tall, move slower, and hold eye contact for just a second longer. Observe how people, especially women, react to you differently. These 9 simple body language traits aren't just dating tricks. They're principles of power, presence, and influence. The way you move, stand, and engage with the world dictates how people respect and respond to you. As Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Master these, and watch how women and the world see you differently. Want to command more respect and attraction? Watch this video and apply these Stoic techniques today. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom on confidence, relationships, and self-mastery.